What is up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am going to be revisiting the first tutorial, but I'm going to be adding a few more steps into it to make your flying experience on Project Flight much easier. This will not include any of the throttles or throttle stuff. I have not gotten to that part. I haven't learned that part yet. So once I learn it, I'll make a separate tutorial on just the throttle. So the first thing that we got to do is go to Joy2Key. If you haven't already downloaded Joy2Key, go ahead and search up Joy2Key, and it'll be the first download. I've already downloaded it, but click download, and once you download it, go ahead and search up Joy2Key, and you will get this. So the first thing we got to do is calibrate this yoke. So go ahead and go to settings. Go to configure joysticks, go to configure game controller property, go to properties, and you should be on test. Go to settings. Once you're here, go to calibrate. I've already calibrated mine, but for you new guys, I'm just going to show you real quick. So the first thing we got to do is calibrate the yoke. So go ahead and go to the right, go to the left, go down, and go up. Once you do that, go ahead and click a button on the joystick and click next. Do the same thing, leave it centered, and click a button on the joystick. Alright, now we're going to calibrate the throttle. You don't exactly have to do this if you're doing it for Project Flight, but just so you don't have to come back and do it again, I suggest doing it right now. Pretty simple. So the first thing we're going to do, the Z-axis, which is your throttle. Go ahead and go up and down, click a button on the joystick, and click next. X-axis is your flaps. Go up, down, click a button on the joystick, and click next. Last one is your mixture. Up, down, click a button, and click next. Go ahead and click finish, and now you'll see that my throttle works perfectly fine. Go ahead and click apply. Make sure yours is working as well. You can also test your yoke. Make sure it works perfectly fine. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and click OK. And go ahead and exit out of both of these. So now we are going to do the resetting of position of your mouse. This will make flying 10 times easier, probably 100 times easier in Project Flight, so you don't have to continue resetting your mouse every time. Alright, so for the second part, what we're going to do is we're only going to be looking at the first 4 sticks. We're going to first do the left stick. Go ahead and click on that. You are most likely going to be in keyboard. Where you need to go is mouse advanced. So we are only going to be fiddling with the horizontal lever. Do not mess with the vertical lever. It'll mess everything up. So what you're going to do with the horizontal lever is you're going to bring it all the way to the left and go ahead and click OK. Go to the second one, go to mouse advanced again, and for this one we're going to go all the way to the right and click OK. For the up stick, we are now going to be looking on the vertical lever, and for this one we are not going 100%. That'll make your yoke very sensitive. We only want to go around 42. That's where I have it. It works perfectly fine. I suggest going to 42. Once you do that, click OK once again. Go to the down stick, and you're going to go bring your mouse up this time to -42 and click OK. Once you finish that, you can go ahead and test it out. If it does not work, go into the comments and say it doesn't work. I'll try to help you on Discord as much as I can. But if it's working, perfect. We're going to go ahead and test this out in Project Flight now. I will see you there. Alright, now we are in game. Just a quick side note. If you notice that I am touching buttons on my yoke, they are working. You have to go check out the first tutorial if you haven't already done that. It'll tell you some of the same information in the starting point, but it'll show you how to set up all of the gadgets and everything like that. So if you haven't set up any buttons, like I'll push back right now, it worked. If you haven't set that up yet, check that tutorial out, and then come back. But for all you that have already done that, go ahead and test it out. So you can see that my mouse is resetting to its starting point. It works perfectly fine. Very good for most part. You can go ahead and turn as much as you can. You will see that it glitches a little bit. It will not affect you at all. It's not a problem. Just, you kind of just got to deal with it. It's a little weird, but see, I mean, it's working perfectly fine. But yeah, if you still have questions for me, if it's not working for you, slide me a DM. I will help you as much as I can. But that is it for me. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.